Now the next is set 2. The first question for the set 2 is question number 9. Write the degree of differential equation dy upon dx power 4 plus 3x d square y upon dx square is equals to 0. Degree is the power of highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is 2. Its power is 1. So the degree of the differential equation is 1. Next one is P speaks truth 70% of the cases, Q in 80% of the cases. In what percent of cases are they likely to agree in starting the same fact? Do you think when they agree means both are speaking the truth? When they agree means both are speaking the truth. Now probability of P1 is 70% of speaking the truth, that is 0.7. So Q1, that is he is not speaking truth. Probability P2 of Q is speaking the truth, 80%. And Q is not speaking the truth, the chance of that is 0.2. Let P1 probability P speaks truth and P2 probability Q speaks truth. Now they are agreeing, therefore the required probability is दोनों कब एग्री करेंगे? या तो दोनों ने सच बोला या दोनों ने झूठ बोला, then they can agree. Therefore P1 is 0.7 into 0.8, 0.3 into 0.2. So the percentage of their agreement, percentage that they agree is equals to 62%. Percentage they agree is 62%. No, it is not necessary. When they are agreeing, then there are two cases. When they are agreeing, there are two cases. क्या केस हो सकते हैं? अगर दोनों बात से एग्री होते हैं, या तो both are speaking truth और both are speaking lie, both are telling lie. There are two cases, both are speaking truth or both are speaking a lie. Next one, question number 18. If A vector is equals to I plus J plus K, B vector is J minus K, find a vector C vector such that A cross C is equals to B and A dot C is equals to 3. We want to find the C vector. Let C vector as xi plus yj plus zk. It is given that A cross C is equals to B vector, A vector cross C. I, j, k, A vector has component 1, 1, 1 and C vector has component x, y, z, that is equals to B vector. Now solve it. Z minus y minus j x minus z plus k y minus x is equals to j minus k. Equate the like components. I component is not there on the right hand side, so we can write it as 0 I cap. So z minus y is 0 minus x minus z is 1 and y minus x is minus 1. Here z is equals to y, minus x plus z, z is y, so y minus x is 1, y minus x is minus 1. Put the value of x here. So x is y minus 1, y minus y minus minus plus 1. Here we have x minus z is equals to 1. Z is y, so x minus y is equals to 1, or y is x minus 1, or x is 1 plus y. Y minus y is 0, minus 1 is equals to minus 1, so it is true. Now it is given that a dot c is equals to 3. I plus j plus k dot x plus y plus z is equals to 3 xi plus yj plus zk. Now take the dot product. X plus y plus z is equals to 3. Instead of y, we can put x is equals to 1 plus y, z is equals to y. 3y, 3 minus 1 is 2, so we get the value of y as 2 by 3. Then z is 2 by 3, x is 1 plus y, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. So what is value of c vector? X I plus yj plus zk. In all the question papers, the point which are done again, which I have done again, that means जो भी यहाँ पे गलती हुई है, जो मैं दोबारा इरेज करके कर रही हूँ, that is for you people, so that this is the point where you can do mistake. ये वो जगह है यहाँ पे आप एग्जाम में मिस्टेक्स कर सकते हो, इसलिए मैं उसको इरेज करके दोबारा कर रही हूँ. तो you have to take care of that mistakes. Note it down. Now the next question is question number 19. Evaluate 1 to 3 modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 plus modulus of x minus 3 dx. Now modulus of x minus 1, negative of x minus 1 when x is less than 1. When we put x minus 1 is 0, then the point is 1. And it is positive when x is greater than equal to 1. Modulus of x minus 2, it has negative value when x is less than 2 and positive value when x is greater than equal to 2. Modulus of x minus 3, negative value when x is less than 3 and positive value when x is greater than equal to 3. Now solve the integral. First, लिमिट गोज फ्रॉम 1 to 3. 1 से बड़ी वो टर्म और 3 से छोटी. When x is greater than equal to 1, then we have the value of modulus as x minus 1. Now x minus 2. This here limit will split into two parts, 1 to 2 and then 2 to 3. 1 से बड़ी टर्म लेकिन 2 से छोटी. When x is less than 2, we have the value of modulus 2 minus x. 2 से 3, when limit is greater than 2, then modulus has value x minus 2. Now like last is 1 to 3. 1 to 3, 1 से ज्यादा but 3 से छोटी. When x is less than 3, then the value of modulus is 3 minus x. Now solve the integral. X square by 2 minus x, limit goes from 1 to 3. 2x minus x square by 2, limit goes from 1 to 2. X square by 2 minus 2x, limit goes from 2 to 3. 3x minus x square by 2, limit goes from 1 to 3. Now put the limits. 3 square minus lower limit 1 square, 2 into 2, 2 square, minus lower limit 2 into 1 minus 1 into 2, 3 square, 3 into 2, minus lower limit 2 square, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 square, minus lower limit 3 into 1, 1 square. Now solve the value. 3 into 2, 6, 9 minus 6, 3 by 2, minus half, minus minus plus, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2, plus 2 into 6, 12, minus 9, 3, so minus 3 by 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2, minus minus plus 2, 18 minus 9, 3 into 2, 6 minus 1. So minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 will get cancelled. 9 plus 1, 10 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 3 by 2. Minus 5, minus 3, minus 8 by 2, 10 by 2 is 5, 8 by 2 is 4, plus 4. So 1 plus 4, that is 5. Now the next one is evaluate integral of x square plus 1, x square plus 4, x square plus 25 dx. Now in the denominator, these are the quadratic equations which cannot be factorized further. Therefore, this is the case of partial fraction. We will use the relation for this is equals to ax plus b upon first factor plus cx plus d upon second factor. Take the LCM now. Ax plus b into x square plus 25 plus cx plus d into x square plus 4. Denominator will get cancelled from both sides when we will take LCM. Now open the bracket. Ax cube plus 25ax plus bx square plus 25b plus cx cube plus 4cx plus dx square plus 4d. Now equate the like coefficient terms. Coefficient of x cube on the left hand side, there is no term of x cube, so 0, a plus c. Coefficient of x square, here the coefficient is 1, b plus d. Coefficient of x, left hand side, no term of x. Here we have 25a plus 4c. Constant term, coefficient of constant term 1, and here we have 25b plus 4d. From here we get the value of c as minus a. Put the value of c here, minus a. 21a is 0, therefore a is 0. When a is 0, then value of c is also 0. To solve this equation, these two, multiply this equation by 4. 4b plus 4d is equals to 4. Now subtract 21b, 4 minus 3. So we get b as minus 1 upon 7. Put the value of b here, minus 1 upon 7 plus d. 1 plus 1 upon 7. So we get d as 8 upon 7. When you will have to solve these equations, so be careful in each and every step, because if there is any mistake, then whole question will go wrong. Now let this integral as I. Ax plus b. A is 0 into x plus b is minus 1 upon 7. X square plus 4. We can write 4 as 2 square. C is 0, 0 into x plus D is 8 upon 7 upon x square plus 25. Now here we will use the formula for integral of x square plus a square, that is equals to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus constant of integration. So minus 1 upon 7, 1 upon a tan inverse x upon 2 plus 8 upon 7 into 1 upon 5 tan inverse x upon 5 plus constant of integration c. Minus 1 upon 14 tan inverse x by 2 plus 8 upon 35 tan inverse x upon 5 plus constant of integration c. Now the next one, question number 28, which is different from set 1. Show that the differential equation x dy upon dx sine y upon x plus x minus sine minus y into sine y upon x is equals to 0 is a homogeneous. Find the particular solution of differential equation given that x is equals to 1 and y is pi by 2. X is 1 and y is pi by 2. Now we have to first show that this is homogeneous differential equation. If we see here, this is y upon x. So the differential equation will be of form dy upon dx. So write first it is as y sine y upon x minus x. Now dy upon dx is y sine y upon x minus x upon x sine y upon x. Now in the numerator and denominator we want the term of y upon x, so divide by x. Y upon x sine y upon x minus 1 upon x upon x cancel sine y upon x. Now if we put x as lambda x and y is equals to lambda y, then the equation will remain same. You will have to put this. Therefore the equation is homogeneous. The equation is homogeneous differential equation. Now what we have to put here, this is of the form y upon x. So put y upon x as v. Y is equals to xv. Now differentiate it with respect to x. Dy upon dx, first as it is dv upon dx plus v, derivative of x is 1. Now put this value in equation 1. We get x dv upon dx plus v. Y upon x is v sine v minus 1 upon sine v. In the next step, v will goes on the right hand side. X dv upon dx, v sine v minus 1 upon sine v minus v. Take the LCM. V sine v minus 1 minus v sine v. It will get cancelled. V sine v. So x dv upon dx is equals to minus 1 upon sine v. In the next step, separate the variables. Minus sine v dv is equals to minus dx upon x. Now integrate both sides. We can take this negative side here also. Integral of sine is minus cos. So minus minus plus cos v. Integral of 1 upon x log x plus constant of integration c. Now we have to find a particular solution. Put x as 1 and y as pi by 2. But before that we have to put the value of y in terms of v in terms of x and y. Cos y upon x log of x plus c. Now put the value cos pi by 2 x is 1 log of 1 plus cos 90 has value 0 log 1 has value 0. So we get the value of c as 0. Put this value of c here. Cos y upon x is equals to log of x. Now next question, which is different, that is question number 29. Find the vector equation of the plane determined by the points 3, -1, 2, 5, 2, 4, -1, -1, 6. Also find the distance of point P 6, 5, 9 from the plane. We want to find the distance of this point from the plane. First we have 3 points given to find the vector equation of a plane. Let this is A vector 3i minus j plus 2k, B vector as 5i plus 2j plus 4k, and C vector is -i minus j plus 6k. Now vector equation of a plane passing through 3 points. What is that? R vector minus A vector dot product with B vector minus A vector cross C vector minus A vector is equals to 0. This is a general vector equation of plane that passes through 3 points. Now first we have to find B minus A and C minus A. B vector minus A, 5 minus 3, 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2. Now C vector minus A, -1 minus 3, -1 plus 1, 6 minus 2. Now we want to find the cross product of these two vectors. So B vector minus A vector cross C vector minus A vector. I, J, K, 2, 3, 2, -4, 0, 4. Now find the value. I cap is 12 minus 0 minus j cap minus 8 plus k cap is 0 minus plus 12. So what we will get the value of cross product as 12i minus 8 minus 16j plus 12k. Now put the value here. A vector is 3i minus j plus 2k dot 12i minus 16j plus 12k is equals to 0. Now take the dot product. R vector dot 12i minus 16j plus 12k minus 3i minus j plus 2k dot product 12i minus 16j plus 12k. Let R vector as xi plus yj plus zk to find the Cartesian equation of plane. Now this is vector equation of plane. R dot 12i minus 16j plus 12k minus 12 into 3 48 minus plus 16 plus 12 into 2 24. So we get the equation as R vector dot 12i minus 16j plus 12k 48 16 24. Here is 12 into 3 is 36, 36 16 and 24. So we get 76. Now put the value of R vector xi plus yj plus zk dot 12i minus 16j plus 12k. minus 76 is 0. So 12x minus 16y plus 12z minus 76 is equals to 0. This is the Cartesian equation of the plane. By taking common, if we take 4 common, 4 into 3, 4 into 4, 4 into 3, 19. So this is the Cartesian equation. Now we want to find the distance between the plane and the point this. Now the required distance is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now x1, y1, z1 are the points this x1, y1, z1. Now direction ratios of the plane. Direction ratios ABC are 3, minus 4, 3 and d1 is 19. And d1 is 19. The general equation is ax plus by plus cz is equals to d. This is the general equation. After comparing it, A 3, x1 is 6, b is minus 4 and y1 is 5, 3 into 9 minus 19. Now a square, 3 square minus 4 square plus 3 square. 6 into 3, 18 minus 20, 4 square and 3 square. We get the result as 6 upon root 34. We can rationalize it. So 3 root 34 upon 17. That is the required distance between plane. Since it is a distance, therefore units, in units.